Jai Ho, and my dear children of class 3. This is your physical instructor A.D. Chavaria, and I welcome you all for today's session. So, my dear children, today let us learn about human body, and in human body today we are going to learn about personal hygiene. So, personal hygiene. So, what is personal hygiene? It's very important for each and every one of us. So, let us begin. Okay, what are the personal hygiene? So, what should we do to maintain personal hygiene? So, in personal hygiene, how are we going to maintain the personal hygiene? So, there are very important things which we should follow every day in our day-to-day life. So every human being, every person on this earth has to take care of their own personal hygienic things, such as the cleanliness of our own self. So how are we going to take care of that? So we have to take care of our body, our hair, eyes, nose, teeth, ears, nails and skin. So main, we have to take care of our some body parts. So first thing is we have to take cleanliness of our own entire body. So we take bath every day. We take bath every day and we clean our body. Then we wash our hair every day while bath, and we keep our hair comb and clean. Then our eyes. So we clean our eyes every day. We should keep our eyes clean every day. Nose. So when we sneeze, that time we clean with water. So with the help of water, taking the water, we wash our hair, we take bath, we clean our eyes, we clean our nose. Early in the morning when you get up, before bath, you brush your teeth every day with Colgate and the brush. So we use Colgate and we brush our teeth clean so that the germs doesn't enter in our mouth. If we don't brush every day, the bad smell comes out from our mouth. Then our ears, we should at least once in a week we should clean our ears. The wax will be present in our ears due to it may be happening because of the while taking bath the soap goes in our ears, so we have to clean that also. So very, it's a you can when you remove, you get some dirty like wax we call it as wax. So wax will be there in our ears, so we should clean our ears with ear buds, which is available in medical shop. It is of cotton, so with the help of cotton we clean our ears. Then nails. Yes, our nails, we should see that our nails will not grow more big, because what happens, we go to play, we move outside in the market, we move on the street, and when the nail grows, so sometimes so many work we will be doing, so small dirt will be entering in our nails, the germs will be present which we cannot see. And the same thing, when we are eating the food, the germs are entering in our stomach, in our body. So many ways it is there, in many ways the germs will enter in our body. So that's why we should cut our nails when it grows. So this is cleanliness. And skin, so our skin, so when we are taking bath, so we should nicely pour water, apply proper soap and make it clean. So all the when we are going to school, when we are at home, when we are going to play, we'll be getting sweat, and because of the sweat what happens, the dust particles will be sitting on our body. So we should take bath, and after bath we should clean our body properly, so that the skin will not get affected. It will not get the germs on our skin. So we should clean it, and then while after the bath we should wipe our hands, leg, face, hair, the entire body we should wipe with a towel. We should dry ourselves when we take bath. So in this way we should maintain cleanliness of our own self. Now, not only of our own body, germs can be present anywhere. So for that, even the clothes what we are wearing every day, the clothes what we are wearing every day, the slippers we are wearing, shoes we are wearing, so socks we are wearing, and we are moving outside, we are going outside, so many places we'll be visiting. Sometimes we'll be going for cycling, sometimes you'll be going to play, then morning you'll be moving to the school, tuition classes, and so many activities you'll be doing in entire day. And for that sake we'll be moving out, and we should keep our clothes, it may be your shirt, it may be your pant, jacket, whatever is there, or our inner wears also. So we should keep our clothing clean and our footwear also clean, because germs which are present around us cannot be seen. Some germs are there which we cannot see with our naked eyes, which we cannot see, because very small particles of germs are there, very small, which we cannot see, we can see only under the microscope. So my dear children, this is your personal hygiene. So in personal hygiene what are we going to do? We are going to take bath nicely every day, we are going to comb our hair properly, we will keep our ears clean, we'll keep our nose cleaning, teeth cleaning. Yes, we will brush every day. We will keep our skin properly clean. Our clothes, what we are wearing, the shoes, what we wear, the sandals, slippers, whatever we are wearing, we should keep our all the things clean. So this is personal hygiene, taking care of your own self. So my dear children, this was regarding our personal cleanliness, personal hygiene. So in this manner we should see that whatever activities in a day we are doing, if you go evening for playing and when you come back at home, so see that either you take a shower under the water, or you can just wash your hand, face, and keep yourself clean, and make it, see that you dry your body. So everything should be dry. You should change your dresses, you should throw for washing when you go out, play, and come back. So now it's time to say bye bye to you, my dear children. We shall meet in our next class. I hope you all will maintain personal cleanliness, personal hygiene, and take care of your own self, so that you will not fall sick, you will not face any problem related to hygiene and our body. So you will keep our body clean, will keep our clothes clean. And now it's time to say bye to you all. Bye bye. Take care. Have a great day. Jai Hind.